along the ridge line and take up a position above the village.
Sir, update. We've got enemy movement in the valley. At least one greenback fire team. Looks like they're outflanking Bravo's position in the village. Over.
Acknowledged, Private. Appreciate the heads up. We're just east of your position en route to the staging point. Fall back and link up with us. Out. Alpha to Falcon, be advised. Contact spotted near the village. Do we engage? Over.
Negative, Alpha. Seize the high ground. Stay on mission. Out.
Okay, Jackson reports contacts in the valley. Keep your eyes open, gentlemen. Jackson, did you copy my last? Fall back and regroup. Over. Private Jackson, respond. Over. Change of plan. I can't raise Jackson. We'll divert to his last known position. Get set for contact, gentlemen. Move 75 meters. Front. Move 75 meters. Front. Damn it! Jackson's down. Doc, check on him. The rest of you, covering fire! Move up! Falcon, this is Alpha. Taking casualties. Stand by for update. Armstrong, engage that man. Front. Concentrate your fire down the valley. Alpha 4, Jackson Kid. Requesting support at our position. Over.
Negative, Alpha 4. Delta is unavailable. We're stretched thin here. Falcon out.
Falcon, we're a man short and greenbacks have taken up a position in the valley. What are our orders?
Stay on mission, Alpha. Bravo still needs your support. Avoid the valley. Maneuver around the threat. Clear the village. Falcon out.
Shit! Alright, you heard it, guys! On the move! Carry, flank left, take the high ground! Move 100 meters, front! Enemy! Carry, engage that machine gunner!
Machine gunner, 75 meters, just up ahead!
Nickel, carry! Fire at that soldier! Front!
Man, 200 meters, right up ahead! Rifleman, 200 meters, front! Rifleman, 200 meters, just up ahead! Rifleman, 200 meters, front!
Armstrong, attack that rifleman! Front! Contacts on the ridge line, northwest! Focus your fire! Larkin, fire at that soldier, northwest! Target down!
Bravo to Alpha! Bravo to Alpha! Good to see you guys! We're pinned down here! Two-story house, center of the village! Watch your fire!
Medic! Target down! Armstrong, patch yourself up! We'll go!
Rifleman, 200 meters, front!
Larkin, carry! Attack that rifleman! West! Engaging! Ready! Man! 100 meters! Front! Machine gunner! 200 meters! Just up ahead! Target neutralized! Move up! Target down! Larkin, carry! Engage that machine! machine gunner. Front!
Engaging target!
Nichols, carry! Engage that man! West! Soldier, 200 meters, front! Area clear. Contact! Move 75 meters, front! Rifleman, 300 meters, just up ahead! Nichols, carry! Engage that machine gunner, front!
Man, 100 meters, front!
Larkin, Armstrong, engage that man, southwest! Engaging! Nichols, carry! Engage that machine gunner, west!
Man, 75 meters, front!
Larkin, Armstrong, fire at that soldier, front! Engaging target! Move up! Move 75 meters, front!
Machine gunner, 100 meters, front! All right, Alpha. Looks like we can move. Appreciate the assist. Falcon, this is Bravo. Come in. Over.
Receiving you, Bravo. Go ahead. Over.
All clear here, sir. Thanks to Alpha, at least. Requesting further orders. Over.
Good to hear, Bravo. Fine work, Alpha. Charlie's inbound with support for your wounded. Entrench your positions. Falcon out.
Entrench your position. It's easy for him to say. Where the hell are the Brits anyway? What the fuck is Delta doing?
What the fuck?
Alpha, we've got mortar fire incoming. They gotta have eyes on our position. Alpha, listen up. Our UAV operator took a hit earlier. If you can get to it, you can use the darter to locate the spotters.
Carey, you're up!
On it, sir.
Alpha, Bravo, this is Charlie. We're on station ready to assist. If you can get those assholes painted, Alpha, we can fuck them up. Over?
Just don't take all day, guys. We kinda got a situation here. Out.
Sir, spotters neutralized.
Shit! Fast mover! Bravo to Falcon. We just got buzzed out here.
Copy, Bravo. We saw him. Get out of there.
You heard him, guys. Get the fuck out before he comes back.